The Rachael Ray Expandable Insulated Casserole Carrier is a versatile and stylish food transportation solution. It is primarily designed for carrying hot or cold dishes to various events. The carrier comes in an attractive sea salt gray color and measures 16.5 inches in length, 10.5 inches in width, and 6.8 inches in height. 1. Insulated design *. This carrier is insulated to help maintain the temperature of your food. It keeps hot dishes warm and cold dishes cool, ensuring that your food arrives at its destination in the desired state. 2. Expandable *. The carrier is expandable, allowing it to accommodate different dish sizes. This is particularly useful when you have various dishes to transport. 3. Dish storage *. One of the standout features is the integrated dish storage. You can securely store your casserole dishes or containers inside the carrier, reducing the risk of spills during transit. 4. Durable construction *. Rachael Ray products are known for their durability, and this carrier is no exception. It's designed to withstand the rigors of transportation. 5. Convenient handles *. The carrier features sturdy handles for easy carrying. Whether you're heading to a family gathering, a potluck, or a picnic, these handles make it easy to transport your dishes.